Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your PDF app. To know how to fix or how to solve your PDF reader app, you should just go to settings. After that, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on all PDF reader. Then we can click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.